What if one click could completely transfer the vibe of your Canva design? Welcome back to Bread Locally. Canva's latest photo updates aren't just filters and cropping anymore. We're talking about AI-powered background removals, magic grab, smart layers, and a ton of new editing tools that make your photos pop with almost zero efforts. Now I'm gonna show you Magic Grab and Magic Eraser. So Magic Grab it's a Canvas AI tool that lets you select the subject of an image and move them, resize them, or edit it, while the rest of the photo stays untouched. So what we're going to do is we click the photo and select edit right here, and we have Magic Grab. As you can see, we have select objects to grab here. We have brush and click, but now I want the click one. As you can see, automatically they are highlighted. Now I want to move this girl right here so she can start talking onto this guy. So let's click this one and click grab. It's gonna take a little longer, so we just wait. Okay, and there you have it. Now if you move her into this one, as you can see, the other girl is overlapping. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna edit this one again and magic grab and click this girl. Let's grab her. And there you have it. Now we're gonna move her onto this one, and also we can resize her. So let's resize her a little bit. Just adjust. And there you go. Now we don't want this girl to stay in here. We just erase that one. And now I'm gonna show you the Magic Eraser. So Canvas Magic Eraser lets you remove anything from a photo like it was never there. Now let's go to edit again. As you can see, there are plenty of Magic Studio right here. Background remover, magic eraser, magic grab, grab text, magic edit, magic expand. But today I'm going to show you the magic grab and magic eraser. Now click on magic eraser, and as you can see, there's also area to erase. We can have brush and click, but let's try on click. Okay. Now we want to click on this chair because no one's gonna sit there now. Let's erase that one. There you go. And there you go. There's no chair in there. Now we close this one and we just, since this one is not connected or in the same photo, what we're going to do is we click both, then we group it. And we just zoom it in. And there you have it. We have Magic Grab and Magic Eraser for today's Canvas update. And that's it for today. I hope you like this kind of content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!